Hey world changers, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're diving into something epic, how you, yes you, can make a real difference in the world starting right now. No superhero cape needed, no $1 million budget required. Just 10 tiny, totally doable actions that anyone, anywhere can do to spark change. Ready to feel inspired? Let's dive in. Here's the secret. The world doesn't change with one big moment. It changes with millions of tiny ones. Every small action you take creates a ripple effect. So let's get to our list of 10 super simple ways you can start today. Grab a notebook or just vibe with me and let's make some magic happen. Number 1, spread kindness like confetti. Smile at a stranger, say something nice, or hold the door for someone. It takes seconds, but it can make someone's whole day. Imagine a world where everyone did this. Boom, instant happiness explosion. Number 2, be a waste-busting hero. Use a reusable bag or bottle or recycle that soda can properly. Every little bit keeps our planet smiling. Pro tip, make it fun. Challenge your friends to a zero-waste day. Number 3, save energy like a boss. Turn off lights when you leave a room, unplug your phone charger, or switch to LED bulbs. It's like giving Mother Earth a big hug and saving some cash on your electric bill. Number 4, shop local. Grab your veggies from a farmer's market or support a nearby cafe. It's not just shopping, it's building a stronger, happier community. Plus, you might discover the best tacos ever. Number 5, be an epic listener. Put down your phone and really listen when someone's talking. It's a small move that builds trust, love, and connection. Try it today. Someone's gonna feel so heard. Number 6, share what you know. Teach someone how to make your famous cookies or budget like a pro. Sharing a skill is like planting a seed for someone's success. What's one thing you could teach? Number 7, give a little. Clean out your closet and donate clothes you don't wear, or give a few bucks to a local cause. It doesn't have to be big to make a big impact. You're changing lives. Number 8, know what's up. Spend just 10 minutes reading or watching reliable news about your community or the world. Being informed means you can make smarter choices to help out. Knowledge is power. Number 9, get your hands dirty. Plant an herb, a flower, or even a tiny tree. It's fun, it's green, and it helps our planet breathe. Bonus points? Name your plant something epic like Sir Sprout. Number 10, respect everyone. No matter who they are, where they're from, or what they believe, treat people with kindness and respect. It's the glue that holds our world together. Let's make it a habit. So there you have it, 10 tiny, totally doable ways to change the world today. Pick one, try it out, and watch the ripples spread. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. So tell me in the comments, which action are you going to try first? And if you're feeling extra bold, share this video with a friend and challenge them to join you. Let's make the world a better place, one small action at a time. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and let's keep this positive vibe going. See you in the next video, world changers! You've got this. Change starts with you. What's your first action? Comment below.